baklat.
Considerable cloudiness early. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Brevard County in east central Florida until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge, or near Playland Beach, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Titusville, Playland Beach, Haulover Canal, Mims, and Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.